Hello, I'm Ellen Howard. Welcome to my studio. I'm an artist member with the California Art Club, and I'm one of the co-chairs for the San Francisco Bay Area. And really happy to show you my studio. I've been here for 25 years in California, but I'm an East Coaster. I grew up in New Jersey and Massachusetts, and I actually started my career in finance and then turned artist about 12 years ago. So it's been a really exciting journey for me. So come on in. So I have a small studio, but I have some of my work up here. This one's from the Sierras, Mendocino, which I love too. Both of these are Mendocino area. This area behind us over here, I usually use as a workspace. And this one is one of the ones I'm working on right now. It's a marsh scene. I'm almost done with it. I think I'm getting there. And I kind of put it here to see it from a distance and see how it's working from my easel. This is another one that I just recently finished. It's a 20 by 20, and I did this from an 8 by 8 study that I did. I wanted to work in a larger capacity. Another one from Elkhorn Slough, a local place here. I painted this plein air. There's a photo of it, and this is my process. I do a pencil drawing and usually a charcoal drawing just to see the values. So I was really happy with kind of the moodiness of this painting. So if you follow me here, you'll see my beautiful couch, which I love to have visitors in my studio. And this is my gold medal piece right here, which I'm very proud of, called Awakening. So this is another area where I have my paintings. I also use it for reference material. This one's another piece from the Sierras called The Journey from Bishop. And I love water, so I've got some coastal scenes, marsh scenes, and this is from New Mexico. And then a very exciting area here is where I keep my wine for all my guests who come in. I have a little fridge, I've got my tunes set up. This is one of my favorite paintings called California Dreaming, and it's a sunset painting. And then this is also a marsh painting actually called Evening Song, which I really like also. So if you'll turn around here, this is kind of where my main work happens. And I usually just come in, I've got this great smock. I was on this wonderful painting trip in Brittany last year, so I just kind of got this. It was on the road going down to the Musée d'Orsay. It was one of the art supply shops, so I think it's kind of fun. I pretend that I'm a French impressionist. So I just want to show you some of my supplies. So I have tons of canvases here and my paints. Here's my smaller canvases. And I love the ones from Raymar, and I usually like the single or double prime canvas covers for linen. And then I have a whole bunch of brushes that I use. And this is kind of my little setup. This is a study that I'm kind of working from. It's from Garrapatta. I'm working on a larger size. It's about a 20 by 24. I usually do this kind of light wash. I'll probably go in and do another wash because I'm not quite happy with the design that I'm doing right yet. So I'll redo this. I work from a pretty large palette. I love all my colors. And I have tons more supplies here. I love these brushes. The rosemary ones are great. The hog-haired. I like the brights and the flats. A lot of different varieties. So I just wanted to welcome you in and tell you a little bit about my workspace. So thank you for coming. Bye.